In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Sam's Club seller account. Before you begin the application, take a few minutes to prepare your business information. This part is important because the application will ask for specific company details, and having everything ready in advance will make the process much smoother. You'll want to gather your legal business name, your business address, your tax ID such as an EIN or equivalent, your general contact information, your product catalog, and your company website if you have one. Being organized at the start can help you avoid delays and reduce the chance of entering incomplete information. Once you have that ready, go to Sam's Club and begin the process by visiting the Walmart and Sam's Club supplier portal. Sam's Club vendors use this shared supplier application, so you'll need to access the Walmart supplier website and select the option to apply to be a supplier. This is the main entry point for businesses that want to offer products through Sam's Club. From there, complete the supplier application carefully. You'll be asked to provide your business information along with details about your products. This may include manufacturing or sourcing information and other requested documentation. As you fill everything out, make sure your answers are accurate and consistent. It's a good idea to review each section before moving on so you don't miss anything important. After the application is filled out, review all of your information one more time and then submit it for evaluation. This review step matters because even small mistakes can slow the process down. Taking an extra moment here can save time later. Once your application has been submitted, the next step is to wait for review. Sam's Club will evaluate your application to decide whether your products are a good fit for their merchandising needs. It's important to understand that submitting the application does not guarantee approval or access to a supplier account. At this stage, patience is key while your information is being assessed. If your application moves forward, you may be asked to complete additional requirements. This can include providing more documents, certifications, compliance information, or even product samples before a final decision is made. Make sure to respond promptly if anything is requested, since delays in replying could slow down the approval process. Once you're approved, you'll receive instructions on how to access your supplier account. From there, you'll be able to manage product information, purchase orders, invoices, and other supplier-related activities. That's the full process for creating a Sam's Club seller account, from preparing your business details to gaining access after approval.